Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. I have some new paper that I just couldn't wait to play with, so I thought I would make some easy gatefold Valentine's Day cards. Let me bring in everything and show you what I'm going to use to make these, and then we'll put them together. So the first thing that I have in front of me is this heart gatefold card die set, and this is from the Stamps of Life, and it makes making gatefolds so easy. All you do is you cut out two of the panels and you glue them together, and then it's got the layering pieces. So you can see here I've used some pink cardstock from my stash. I cut both of the panels. I'm going to end up gluing those together and fold them, and it's so easy. Another die that I'm using to decorate the front is these delicate leaves. This is from scrapbook.com. This is one of my favorite dies. And then this is the paper I was telling you about. So some of my friends sell Stampin' Up! And they showed this in a video. Marbled Elegance is the name of this paper, and I thought it was gorgeous. I had to have it. And then I also had to have this. This is the Glimmer specialty paper from Stampin' Up! And so I thought these were so pretty, and I already knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. All right, so let's go ahead and start assembling this card so I can show you really how easy it is. So I used my bone folder and just reinforced the lines here. Now I'm adding a little bit of tacky glue, and you'll have to excuse my glue. I'm to the very end of this bottle, and so I'm squeezing it rather hard to get the glue to come out. But I am determined to use it up before I open a new bottle. Okay, so I put some glue on there and I adhered the two panels. And you can see here, I'm just giving that a good press. And included in the die from the Stamps of Life are the layering pieces. So I took the layering dies and I cut out both of these in the Marbled Elegance specialty designer paper. And this is the pink. I'm also going to show you at the end of this video where I use some of the red, but I really like this paper because it has those little flicks of the gold foiling in it, and I just think it's gorgeous. So if you have a favorite paper, this would be a great idea to use that paper on, especially these that have like the gold. When I think of Valentine's Day cards, I think of over the top, really pretty paper. This is a perfect time to use it. All right, so I put the two panels on here, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reinforce this fold here with my tool just to make sure I have that nice and folded. Okay, and then I took the dies that are included in the set, and then I cut the panels for the heart. Now when you cut the heart, the die only goes one direction, so you need to cut one normally, and then you need to flip your paper upside down to cut the other one. So that's just a little trick when you're making these. Other than that, this set is perfect. And you can either have the spacing equal, or I like to kind of line these up towards the center so that it looks like the heart meets. Otherwise, there would be like that pink, from the cardstock showing. So I like to kind of make them meet in the middle versus having the cardstock showing, but that's up to your preference. Okay, so now I have my glitter paper on here. I'm going to bring in this die from scrapbook.com, and it's called A Little Reminder, and it says, just a little reminder that you're thought of with love today. And I went ahead and stamped that out using some black ink, and then I brought in some Stamps of Life ink in guava to stamp the hearts. This panel for the inside is also included in the die set, and it has the little stitching lines. The heart, you can't see it, but the heart layering pieces with the glitter paper, that also has stitching detail. Okay, now I'm bringing in some ribbon from my stash here, and I'm going to tie a bow. So let me go ahead and tie this up. Now, any products that I've used today, I will leave linked down below in the description box, with the exception of the Stampin' Up! Paper. I do not sell Stampin' Up!, but I have so many friends that do. So if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I have several that I would highly recommend. And so just leave me a comment if you need one, and I will let you know. I can't tie this bow while you all are watching me, so I'm going to have to end up tying this off camera because that's a sad looking bow right there. I love to use my bow maker, but when you put me on the spot like this, I really can't do it. So let me untie this and give it another try. Maybe I should just do this off camera. All right, there, that's a little bit better. So I tied another bow off camera. We got that done. And I'm just doing that to hold my gatefold card closed. I'm going to do some more decorating. So you'll see here, I'm bringing in this bag. Now, this is a bag that I like to keep my flowers in. I don't know how you store your flowers, but this is how I found the best way to store them. So these are the ones I'm looking for right here. And these are from Little Birdie. They're handmade flowers. And I don't see a name on these. Oh, I think they're called Ivory Pearl, possibly. But these are so pretty. They have little jewels in the center of them. So there's a little bit of the gold on here. And then the little one has like a little diamond in the center. It's so pretty. First, I'm going to glue down this delicate leaf that I cut out from the scrapbook.com delicate leaf die. And like I said, that's my favorite die for cutting leaves. I pretty much use it on all of my cards and projects. Adding a little tacky glue to the back of my Little Birdie flower. Give it a good press. And then I'm going to go in and glue the smaller flower right next to it. So let me add a little bit more glue. And that is this card. I think it looks so pretty. Let me know, what do you think? All right, now I made a couple others off camera. So I made another pink one. So here's the other pink one. The flowers are just a little bit different and my ribbon's a little bit different. The bow's kind of sad. Don't comment on the bow. And then I made these two gold ones with the red. Now this gold paper I used from scrapbook.com from their glitter cardstock pack. And then this one right here, this gold, I like this gold, I think, better. And this is from the Stamps of Life. That's their gold glitter paper. So that's it. I hope I've inspired you to make some Valentine cards. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I'll have these still shots over on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.